Prodigy hacks are leaving. On April 10th, they're going to be gone because Prodigy, or the people that run it, can no longer afford to run it. So yeah, they are gone, and what I'm going to be doing is going over all the hacks for the last time so that you guys can see it. So I'm going to be giving this account away at the end of the video. All you have to do is subscribe and join my Discord.
Oh, what? Controller player! That is a controller player!
One hack that I actually liked that they got rid of, because this hack was really weird. You could uwu-fy the game, so everything would be uwu-fied. Like if you put on the apprentice circlet, it would say, this circuit is adorned with magical jewels. So now that's not in the game. So the ones up here aren't really that cool, like set gold. I'm pretty sure it doesn't even work. Set level, I guess we could just do like this plus e to the 39th. That is a number, but who cares? So we can get member stars. This is an easy way to level up pets from level 1 if you don't want to get every single pet in the game. Then you could obtain conjure cubes. So you have like 99 conjure cubes up here, and sadly they never go away. So these ones are useless because there's no, or the old arena is gone, so you can't set wins and set losses. Also, you can't go over here and do a tower, say like a random thing on the tower. So you can do instant kill, which it instantly kills stuff. We are going to go ahead and use that because it is very cool. So if we go up here, we will fight this ruckus, and we should be able to instant kill it.
Die!
And we didn't. Very, very cool. But yeah, for some reason instant kill didn't work, but you can give yourself a bunch of health for PvP. So now you have like 700 or 75,000, I'm pretty sure. Then you can toggle membership, which will give you membership. So then you can buy like the hair, like colored hair and stuff. Then you can set your name to whatever. So you could set your name to like, you could set your name to Daviday, and then it will reset on reload. So sadly it didn't work, but now we can, or I can show you the name changer. So if I put in Daviday, that is the real name to pronounce my channel. So the YouTubers that pronounce it Daviday are wrong. So here we go. Now we have Daviday as my name. I'm the only one that can see it though, which is kind of sad. And then you can change your name to whatever you want. So you can make it David Hoyoy, or David the Wizard, David Saurus. And then we have uncapped player level. So this would only work for you to see. And you can make yourself like level 1 million, or I guess you could make your name like, yeah, you can only use E's here. So then you could get all achievements, which would, if you go to the trophies and then you go to awards, you would get all this. It might work for badges. No, it does not, but it does work for awards. So then you'd have everything in the game. So then this one is one of my favorite hacks, that they have a morph player. So you can pretty much morph yourself into anything you want. I'm going to morph myself into Magmischief because it actually, or they changed it sadly. But what you can do is you can take off your cloud, change your pet, and this right here also looks really cool. So if you go to buddies, you can put on Mag Mayhem wherever it is, and now you have a double Mag Mayhems, which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to be morphed as a stuffed dragon for the rest of the video so that just because it looks weird. Like, look at this. This is just very cool. But so now you can be in your house and you can walk around as anything you want. And I'm gonna stay in my house so that I don't get banned. So then you can fix Morph Crash so that when you put on the Crystal Monster, you do not get crashed. Permanent morph. So let's do that. So now my morph will last forever. Complete current quest. So now if you go to Volcano Village again, I'm pretty sure we were on complete current task. So if you talk to Slurpee, then nothing will happen actually. Well, actually, I'm stupid. All you have to do is just complete current task. We are in Bonfire Spire, completed current task, and there we go. We didn't have to do anything, and on to the next hack. So the next one is pretty simple. All you have to do is just set your Dark Tower to level 100, get user ID. You can copy your account, which I've never done before, and then you can set your grade to like first grade. So at the end of the video, I guess I'll copy my account. User ID would be pretty easy to find, and yeah. So the next one is item stacker. You can just like give yourself one of everything. Doesn't matter how much you give, but then you have all of this. You have the Trial Masters. You have stuff that is not in the game, and you have the clouds. You have the buddies. And then you have all the mythical epics also. So you don't have epics on this though. And then the rest of these are pretty much all just pretty easy to comprehend. Item stacker gives you everything. Clear inventory clears your inventory. Selector, you can just like give yourself all the buddies in the game, only buddies, and then you can do selector advanced, which you could just use to get specifically the snow ermine. So then all ruins would ruin the game for you. Yeah, so it would ruin the game for you. All furniture would give you all furniture. Mounts would give you all mounts, and then remove item, you could remove like one item. So yeah. So if you do use the furniture hack, you get two things that aren't in the game. They are like origamis, so you could like put one wherever. So you could just like put one right here and put one wherever. So this is a pretty cool hack. Basically all the hacks are cool, but yeah, so next we are going to go to the location hacks. To teleport to map, you could just like teleport to Bonfire Spire. Okay, and then you go to a 500, and then it would send you to right here, and we just got into a battle. And I have never actually used this hack before, but I'm guessing that it shows you the map. Get map location you are at. Gets the same zone, so we don't care about that. Get all pets, gets you all the pets. Get all legacy epics, gets you all the legacy epics, which would be like Luma, Eclipse, and all of them. Then you have get mythical epics, which gives you mythical epics. Fix battle crash, fix battle crash. Clear pets, clears your pets. Add pets, adds pets. So I'm gonna clear pets actually. Then we're gonna get all pets, get all legacy, and all mythical. So then we shouldn't have a big scatter of pets anymore. We should just have the actual number. So I used to have like 1,000 pets, but now I only have 100 something. So the next hack that we are going to be looking at, so add pets doesn't really, or just adds a pet on level 1, uncap pet level, uncaps your pet level. Edit pet doesn't work anymore. I tried it. The video was originally going to be on this, but it didn't work. Then delete pets would delete a pet. Battle hacks disable math, so you wouldn't have to do any math. which is honestly probably one of the best hacks that was here. Not saying anything, but you could use it in the arena to get some easy points. Win battle automatically wins you the battle. Set battle hearts would set your battle hearts to whatever. Fill battle energy would like give you an all-out attack, and then heal team would heal your team. So then you have 20 walk speed. I'm pretty sure this only works for Dino Dig Oasis. Let's see, because it says mini game. So let's see if it works. So we do start. Start. I don't care. Dig faster. Apply. Let's see what happens. No, that's not any bit faster. So that's kind of stupid, but we aren't going to worry about this anymore. Okay, so we got a staff from doing it, but we don't care. So the next hack that we are going to be looking at is miscellaneous hacks. So skip tutorial, that would be like the start of the game where you get to fight the puppet master and stuff. You could skip those. Disable monster encounters, that would make it so that you don't have to battle monsters. Skip enemy turn means that you can skip the enemy's turn. I would if you know what the Bobby Fancy Woman incident is, then you would know what this is. So I guess I'll use that on a different account. So that's going to be fun. Reset account would reset your accounts. Utility hacks, save character locally. I never finished what that one would do. Stuck in unfinished tower fix. Not sure what that one does because I haven't seen that. Load local character. Don't know what local character means though. Save character would save character. Close all pop-ups. Okay. Not sure what that one did. So, not sure what close all pop-ups does. Update menu. Cheat menu was updated, so that would just like update the cheat menu. Disable an activity kick. That would make it so that if you're not working at all, then nothing would happen. Enable menu styles would be like down here. You could do stuff. Edit walk speed. I'm pretty sure this one never worked, but let's see. So, it actually does work. It basically just teleports you. So then if we made our walk speed 2, we would go faster than usual. I don't remember this one ever working. Yes, this is actually a good hack. I never used this hack before, but now that I have, I wish Prodigy hacks were never going to work, because this would be a really fun hack to have. Let's just... Now we're going to have to put it back on 5. Okay, so here we go. So it would only work for one place. Toggle click teleporting, so this one is really fun, so you can just teleport wherever. It's kind of obvious. And then we have pause game. So this would make it so that everything stops moving, and then if we unpause the game, then we can move again. So this would be like if you wanted to pause the wheeler, I guess. Pause game. Only my buddy is moving. So nothing will work except for this and my buddy. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Hopefully this is out by April 10th. So yeah, Prodigy hacks are leaving, which is very sad. But make sure to subscribe. I'm pretty sure only like 9.7% of you are. And yeah, bye.